Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. In this video today, we'll be checking out and learning two new things. First one, we how to convert a PPT to a PDF document. And the second one would be how to insert a PDF file in a PowerPoint presentation. So please stay tuned. Let's start with the first topic of the day, which is how to convert a PPT to a PDF. I have a presentation here with a few slides. There are about 13 slides. Just have a look here. Drawing, painting, cooking, dancing, laundry, meditation. So this is a presentation with a few slides containing few pictures. So let's convert this PPT into a PDF document. Now let's see how to do that. Click on the File menu, go to Export, and then on the left side the Create PDF XPS document should be selected, and on the right you have an option which says Create PDF/XPS document. So click on that. So once you click on it, it will ask you where do you want to save this file. So let's give it a name, Things to Do in Lockdown, and then click on Publish. So as soon as you click on Publish, it starts the process of converting from the PPT to a PDF. So now let's go back and see if the PDF has been created. Yes, the PDF has been created. Let's open it and see. Yes, the PDF has been created with the 13 slides now into PDF document. Let's look at the second topic of the day, which is how to insert PDF document in a PowerPoint presentation. Now let's open a blank slide. In this slide, we will insert the same PDF document which we have just created. To insert a PDF, go to the Insert menu, and under that you will see this option called Object. Click on this. Then select the second option, Create from File, and then click on Browse. Select the PDF and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see the path of the file, and then you have an option which says Display as Icon. So click on this. You'll also see an option called Link. So if you click on this link option, the file will be created as a link. So sometimes what happens is when you insert a file here, you might go back and make changes to that file, which will not be reflected in this PPT. So when you click on the link checkbox, whatever changes you make in the original document would also be reflected in the PPT. So that's the advantage of this link checkbox. This is more important. This becomes more handy when you're inserting Excel. So let's not do that now. Let's click on Display as Icon for now. And if you see Adobe Acrobat 7 document title or caption is displayed for this file. So let's change the caption. Give it a name which is Sales Report or anything, Sales Report, and then click on OK. So after changing the name, just click on OK, and you will see that the PDF is inserted into the slide. So now when you double click, you will see the PDF opening. So that is the process of inserting a PDF in a PowerPoint presentations. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.